Hey, it's Marc Van Steyn with the Van Steyn Partners at REMAX Premier Choice. Anyone who watches the real estate sector of the stock market would have seen some big news this week regarding Zillow. Zillow, the popular real estate search site, has decided to get out of the iBuying business. It's also laying off 2,000 employees, or 25% of its workforce. Mid last month, the company came out and said they would not be purchasing any more homes this year. That turned into a complete shutdown of their Zillow Offers operation. So what was Zillow's Operations, or what is an iBuyer? If you've ever seen a "We Buy Homes for Cash" sign on the side of the road, it's basically that, only on a much larger level. Zillow is running a similar business model, buying homes for cash in the hopes of renovating them, then selling them for a profit. Except, unlike the mom and pop investor, Zillow had hundreds of millions of Wall Street money behind it. They were one of the top 3 iBuyers in the marketplace, the others being Opendoor and Redfin. The fact that they pulled the plug on Zillow Offers after taking a $500 million loss on the endeavor isn't really the subject of this video. I think the bigger question is, why now? Sure, you could argue they decided to cut bait, take their loss, which is probably true, but they still have over 8,000 homes under contract that they haven't even closed on yet. The more interesting question reading between the lines is, maybe they don't like where the market is heading. Zillow has always maintained they are a technology company, not a real estate company. And Zillow has acquired many smaller companies in the past 10 years to help them with their analytics. So here's a company who calls itself a technology company, who prides itself on its data, deciding it no longer is going to be purchasing homes. Here's a quote from their CEO and co-founder. "We determined the unpredictability in forecasting home prices far exceeded what we anticipated." Very, very interesting. No one has a crystal ball. Who knows what the market's going to look like 12 months from now? But it seems Zillow was unwilling to risk any more of its money to find out. And no, by the way, if Zillow lost $500 million because they couldn't accurately determine the value of homes, what are the chances this estimate on your house is accurate? If you have any questions about the real estate market or would like an accurate valuation of your home, give me a call, 614-596-2934.